Hey my lovely people, today we're making shrimp salad. Little bit different as always, SweetZivile twists it up, adds something up. So I was just craving for shrimp roll or shrimp salad and I came up with my own idea. Let me show you how I make it.
In a large pot filled with 3 quarts of water, add 2 teaspoons of sea salt, squeeze half of lemon and throw it in. Add a few sprigs of fresh dill, cover and bring it to a boil. Add 1 pound of clean deveined shrimp and simmer just for a couple of minutes or until shrimp becomes opaque. Scoop it out in the ice-cold water to prevent any further cooking. Let it sit for a few minutes and take it out, draining very well. Chop the shrimp into bite-sized pieces, transfer to a bowl. Add a couple tablespoons of mayo, cayenne pepper sauce, sea salt, Old Bay seasoning, mushroom umami herb seasoning, a good pinch of Szechuan peppers, and chopped fresh dill. Half of lemon zest and juice. Mix, and my twist is a celeriac root. It gives amazing flavor and texture. Brush your favorite buns with some garlic butter and toast it lightly. Add generous amount of salad and serve. Enjoy, guys, and I really hope you're gonna like it as much as we do.